Hello guys, welcome to another quick tip. This time, how to remove your door, the front door or the back door. It's the same. And why do you need to remove it? Well, the reasons are many. You may need to do a painting on the inside of the door. You may need to do body work. You may need to work on the door in a way that is not possible with the door attached to it. You may want to clean this area of the car. You may want to deal with the hinges. They may be needing of some work. And with this quick tip, it is possible to you to do this very quickly. And why is it quick? Because it is really very easy to remove the doors on this car. It is really strangely easy. You just need to remove this bolt over here, the other one over there, this plug, and the door strap. To take out the door, you don't need to remove any of this. This is for the other videos that I'm doing about the door panel and other stuff. Don't mind this. You just need to remove those two screws over there on the door strap. I already did a video about the door strap, about this door panel, about the lock, about so many things on the door. You can see it all on the description below and up here on the links as well. You just want to remove those two screws over there, remove the screw on the hinge up there and down there on the lower hinge, take out the plug and the door is out. So let's do it. And so, how easy was this? It is really easy. Sometimes you can actually take out your plug and these two bolts with the door closed in between the front door and the back door. But I prefer to do it like this because if you do it like this, you can also do it on the front door. So on the front door, you don't have access behind the front door to do so. So I decided to do in this way. It is a bit more difficult, not that difficult, but to show you how it is to remove the front and the back door. So now you can, for example, repair your threads, you can repair your hinges, you can repair your main plug for the door, you can do painting, you can do body work, you can do cleaning, you can do whatever do you want to do. It is this simple. Guys, welcome to this quick tip, welcome to my videos, welcome to my channel. I hope you are having a great day. See you next time, guys. Bye.